Hi everyone, welcome back to Tai Chi Kung Fu channel. Today is 2025, it's already summer. This is my very first video for instructional video, long videos on my YouTube channel. And today I want to do a straight sword, flower, how to use your muscle. As a beginner, has no experience, immature people who want to learn the straight sword, this is how you do it. Sword flowers are very popular in many films and TVs and video games. Any action, they have those kind of flower involved. Number one, we have a sword. To judge how good the sword is, you have to put your finger on the top. See, I put a finger under this spot. You can test how level, how good your straight sword is. And without a tassel, you see that? If you have no tassel, you have to put a little further out. No tassel. This is a good sword. If top is too heavy or bottom is too heavy, both will not make a good flower. Number two, learn how to grab your sword. And use your 5 finger, grab around this 2 finger. See this part of sword? Put the center. And the thumb, grab it. 2nd finger, grab. 3rd, 4th, grab. And put the 2nd finger on top. And then watch me first, demo time. From profile, inside flower, outside flower, straight. Inside flower, outside flower, grab it. Front level, inside, outside, grab. Inside, outside, grab. You see from the front, you can see very clearly my sword is closing to my body. How to make it close to your body? Number one is to the magic of the finger shape. If you're using the 5 finger together, watch me. This is what most people will do. It will lose the feminine and the flower is, to make it close to your body. You have to use your 2 finger. Hand, 2 finger, grab the top. And what you're doing, you do not hold super tight. Look, your 2 fingers and this is supporting. Loose it up. You see that? Now they will make a straight line. And the pinky sword brought the sword back. The same concept. Opening up, supporting, and follow the momentum. Back. Grab 100%. Inside, outside, back. Inside, outside, back. Watch me. Second, when you do a single sword, the other hand is very important to keep it balanced. You're not hanging around your other hand. Watch. You're not putting your hands in the front. Watch. You're going to cut it. You're going to safely put your hand on the side. The back, you see, my finger is supporting my back. And then also, from the profile, my elbow, you can see sticking out. No, that's a big no-no. You have to put your elbow back. Why? Because when the sword comes over, you're not cutting yourself. You're going to have to be safe. So slow motion, back. That's the basics. Inside flower, outside flower, grab. Inside flower, outside flower, grab. Inside, outside. Once I get faster, 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 even faster. And when you finish, you see my muscle, my hand. If you want to stop the sword very fast, you have to grab super tight. So every single movement look like I'm actually relaxed, but I'm not. Every single muscle you have to help for the last motion. And from the profile, you can see, you see my body? Using my waist. From the profile and from the front, you see my body. I'm moving a little bit. Also my foot. I'm not standing cross-it. Look at my foot. It's crossing. It's not going to help. You're going to cut your leg. For flower purpose, 1 leg forward, 1 leg back, and put your heel up. Make sure there's a space in between. You're not walking like a balance beam. You have to have little space. This way, you have a support. Now, back on top. Everything set. Put your left hand on your waist. Put your elbow back. Position your arm in front of you and inside, outside flower and stop. 2. You see my tassel spinning. 4, 5. Now, slow motion. If you do not have a straight sword at home, you can do anything with any length of the stick, which is a shorter stick, will do the job. Like this. You can find anywhere, bamboo, stick, or any like stuff you clean your house, whatever, straight stick. And grab the bottom and put your hands on the waist, inside, outside, back, inside, outside, back. With a stick, it's even safer. You see this one I do is a foam. I can cut it, for beginners. It doesn't hurt you and really good for practicing the wrist. So when you have this kind of stick at home, just keep lubricating, practice your muscle, the finger grabbing muscle, and from sideways. You see this way? Slow-mo, slow-mo, fast motion, fast motion. Now, that's a front flower. There's also back flower, reverse flower, which is normally we do has a transition. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. But this way, I'm going to put into next lesson to teach you step by step. Thank you very much for watching.